Hi, this is Andrew Lin. In my previous video, I demonstrated how to hoard copper cents. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the benefits and risks involved in investing in copper. First, copper cents are cash. The risks are minimal and limited to the efforts of sorting. If you're going to save cash in any form, it might as well be in copper cents. It takes 154 copper cents to make 1 pound of pure copper, but I think most of you are interested in the potential upside of hoarding copper cents. One way to gain insight is to look at the high price of copper in the past and then doing an inflation adjustment calculation based on our money supply. The way to do that is to look at the M3 money supply, which is a broad measure of the money in circulation of US dollars around the world. One way to look at a high price is to look at the high price of copper in the past, such as $1.50 a pound in 1974. At that time, uncertainty in the world and development at home following the Vietnam War drove prices to $1.50 a pound, and at that time, the M3 money supply stood at $1 trillion. Today, M3 is $15 trillion. That means the M3 adjusted price for copper in 1974 today would be $1.50 times 15, which is $22.50 a pound. Also, at its low, copper fell to a 30-year low of 60 cents per pound in late 2001. At that time, the M3 money supply stood at only $8 trillion. That means the all-time low price of copper in inflation-adjusted terms is $1.50 a pound. Wow, that's the same price you get for hoarding copper cents. Hoarding copper cents is like buying copper at its historically low point. Another way to look at the potential for copper is to look at its price relative to other globally traded commodities such as gold or oil. In 1999, oil traded at a low of $10 a barrel, while copper was trading at 75 cents a pound. So today, with oil at $70 a barrel, that means copper would either have to go up to $5.25 a pound, or oil would have to correct to $40 a barrel, since copper is $3 a pound. Which one do you think is more realistic? The same situation also arises if we compare copper to either silver or gold. But I think copper is going to do a lot better than a lot of the precious metals because copper has industrial applications. No developing nation needs large quantities of silver or gold for their economy. So no matter how we look at it, copper prices have only one direction to go, up. And it is highly unlikely for the intrinsic value of copper in a copper cent to drop below 1 cent again. That's why I'm into hoarding copper cents.